So I'm here today trying to install the parts. Just took it all out. These are all the gaskets and seals or whatnot. Those are just extra set that I'm gonna sell eventually. Got the map sensor, starter, the fan, a couple hoses, the clutch assembly, not the clutch pedal assembly. There's a coil here. This seems like the transmission mounts. There's a blower motor of some sort, and the master cylinder for the clutch. So I'm gonna open these and see what they are. As you can see, I masked up some of the areas I don't want the paint to be on. I know I have the motor mounts, so I'm gonna start taking these off. There's one bolt up here, one bolt on the bottom, which I took off already. It's one of these. So once I get that out, I'll have more space to paint and also put the new motor mount in. The same one on the other side. There they are. So go from there. So just as I started to do some work cleaning up the engine, it starts raining. What are the chances? Raining. I'm gonna continue. I'm gonna take that mount off and then try to put the new one in. But so far it's looking pretty decent. A lot of the area where there's a lot of grimes and oil caked up, just cleaning that off. Right here. Alright, much better. Okay, the motor mounts out on both sides. This one I didn't take the bracket off, but there's the mount that I'm replacing with a brand new one. I'm gonna go ahead and spray this now. Alright, let's get going. Alright, here we go. Hard to see, but just got the block here painted here with a fresh coat of blue. Don't worry about that. It's gonna get a new oil filter anyways. Had to block off this housing. I'm gonna clean that off as well when I put in the new gasket. It's looking good. Cleaned off all the grease that was on it. It's caked up. Check out this area here. Looking pretty good. Alright, so it's been raining for the past few hours anyways. The motor, it's cleaned up really well. Got the nice coat of paint on the block. Everything was masked, so there's no oversprayed. Gotta say, it looks pretty damn good. I had to get this polished up a little bit more. The water pump's going next. I gotta pick up some RTV and clean up that pulley that's on there. It's over there right now. Check this out. We got this cleaned up. check out this side of the block. Put the new motor mounts in. On this side too. There's the mount. It's looking good. And then I gotta get a new filter. I think I have one, but gotta look through my parts, my box of parts. Alright, so I'm gonna call it a day and continue maybe tomorrow or the day after, but I'm excited. The car's gonna be done soon, hopefully. And that's it. That's all for this today, I guess. Maybe I'll do another video for the following, which is the water pump, the oil pan, and then whatever else I need to put in. Have some parts here. The water pump and then the belt. Cool. Alright, thanks for watching.